Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download YouTube TV on your Samsung Smart TV. Are you ready to cut the cord and enjoy live TV without cable? YouTube TV is a fantastic option, and getting it on your Samsung Smart TV is super easy. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process, step by step. We'll cover how to find the app, download it, and even sign in. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more tech tips and tricks. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Accessing the Samsung App Store. First, turn on your Samsung Smart TV. Using your Samsung Smart TV remote, press the Home button. It's usually a button with a house icon. This will bring up the main menu on your screen. Navigate through the menu options until you find Apps. It might also be labeled as Samsung Apps or App Store, depending on your TV model. Select it and press OK, or Enter on your remote. Step 2. Searching for YouTube TV. Once you're in the App Store, you'll see a search bar, usually at the top of the screen. Select the search bar and use the on-screen keyboard to type in YouTube TV. You can also use voice search if your remote has that feature. Step 3. Downloading and installing YouTube TV. After you type in YouTube TV, you should see the YouTube TV app appear in the search results. Select the YouTube TV app. You'll now see the app's description and an install button. Select Install and press OK on your remote. The app will now download and install onto your Samsung Smart TV. This might take a few moments, depending on your internet connection speed. Step 4. Opening YouTube TV and signing in. Once the installation is complete, you should see an Open button. Select Open to launch the YouTube TV app. The app will now open. If you already have a YouTube TV subscription, you can sign in using your Google account. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in. You'll likely need to use your phone or computer to activate the app by going to youtube.com/activate and entering the code displayed on your TV screen. If you don't have a YouTube TV subscription, you can sign up for a free trial right from the app. Troubleshooting tips *** app not found *** if you can't find YouTube TV in the App Store, make sure your TV software is up to date. Go to your TV's settings and check for software updates. *** not working *** if YouTube TV isn't working properly, try restarting your TV or reinstalling the app. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed YouTube TV on your Samsung Smart TV. Now you can enjoy live TV, sports and more, all without cable. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.